Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll do more complex example about the elimination method in solving the system of equations. So stay with us and let's jump into the computer. So we have this example here. 5x plus 4y equals to 20, and we have 3x plus 4y equal to 16. So we have 4y here and we have 4y here. We have two identical terms, but they have the same sign. So now we cannot eliminate the two of them. But there is another way to solve it, which is by multiplying the second equation or the first one by -1. When we do that, all signs here will change to negative, and this one to negative, and this one to -2. So then we can add the first equation with the second equation, and the two 4y's will eliminate each other. So the result will be minus 3x minus 4y equals to minus 16. Now we have positive 4y and minus 4y. Now we can add these two together. 5x minus 3 plus minus 3x will be 2x. 4y will eliminate the minus 4y, and we have 20 plus minus 16, which is 4. Then we have 2x, so we need to divide over 2 in the both sides in order to get our x alone in one side. So our x will be equal to 2x equals 2. Now we take this exact value of x and put it in one of these equations in order to get the value of y. Let's take the first one, for example. 5x, 5 multiplied by 2, plus 4y equals to 20. 5 by 2, 10, plus 4y equals to 20. Now we need to move this 10 to the other side. It is a positive 10, so on the other side it will be a negative 10. 4y equals to 20 minus 10. 4y equals to 10. Y equals to 10 over 4, which is 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. So our x is 2. Our y equals to 2.5. This is our result for the first example. Let's jump to another example. In this example, we have 2x minus 3y equals to 4, and in the second equation, 4x plus y equals to 8. There is no identical terms in this equation, so what we can do? We have minus 3y and we have y. It's slightly looking the same, so I think that we can now multiply the second equation by 3. When we do that, we will have 3y here, and then we can do our normal method. The result will be 12x plus 3y equals to 3 by 8, 24. So now we can add these two together. 2x plus 12x is 14x. Minus 3y will go and eliminate the positive 3y. And 4y plus 24 is 28. Now we have 14x equals to 28. We need to divide the two sides by 14 in order to get our x alone. Our x equals to 28 over 14, which our x is 2. Now we need to take this 2, the value of x, and put it in one of the first equation in order to get the exact value of y, like we have did in the first example. 4 multiplied by 2, which is our x, plus y equals to 8. 4 by 2 is 8 plus y equals to 8. We have this 8, we need to move it to the other side. It is a positive 8. and when it's moved to the other side it will be a negative 8. So our y equals to 8 minus 8. Our y sadly equals to 0. Then we have the result y equals 0 here. In this example, we have x minus 3y equals 5 in the first equation, and in the second equation, we have 3x plus 5y equals 8. What we can do now? There is not even a little bit of similarity between them, but only thing that we can do is multiplying the first one by 5 and the second one by 3. So why we do that? We do that because we want to get a 15y here, a minus 15y, and a positive 15y here, so that these two y can eliminate each other. Yeah, the result will be two equations. The first one will be 5x minus 15y equals to 25, and the fourth equation will be 9x minus plus 15y equals to 24. Now we can add these two together. 5x plus 9, it's 14x. This 15 here will cancel this 15 here, and we will have 25 plus 24 equals to 49. We have our x here. It needs to be alone, so we need to divide over 14 in both sides. Our x equals to 49 over 14. It is equal to this for 7, and this for 7 will be 7 over 14, which is 2, because our x is 7 over 2. This is the value of x. Now we need to take this value and put it in the first equation or the second equations in order to get the value of y. Let's take the second one and try to solve it. For y, 3x, 3 multiplied by 7 over 2 plus 5y equals to 8. We need to multiply this 3 inside. It will be 21 over 2 plus 5y equals to 8. Now this 21 over 2 is a positive number, and when we move it to the other side it will be negative, so the result will be 5y equals to 8 minus 21 over 2. Let's do it in another page. 5y equals to 8 minus 21 over 2. Now how we can reform this side of the equation? 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. 16 minus 21 is 5, so this side will be minus 5 over 2. Here we have 5y. In order to get just y, we need to divide the two sides by 5. This 5 will cancel this 5, and the result will be 5 equals to minus 5 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 5, which is the same like saying divided by 5, because this is the reverse form of 5. When we multiplied the two of them, it's just like division. The result will be minus 5 over 10, sorry. This is our y, and our x is 7 over 2, and like that we have finished our video for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We have more videos about this method and how to solve the system of equation. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.